Praveen, how are you?
Hi, hello. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
All good. I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm good too. How have you been?
Everything is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so, Praveen, have you gone through our session document for today?
Yeah. I have gone through that document.
Okay. Okay. So, Praveen, we will talk about the document for now. The topic of the document is what if you could stop time? It's a very interesting session document,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So, it's a question that is posed in the theme of the topic itself, like theme itself. It says, "What
Yeah.
you do if you would stop time?" So, tell me, what does this
So,
thought remind you of?
like whenever I stuck in a bad situation,
Mm-hmm.
so when I overcome that situation,
Mm-hmm.
so I would like to stop the watch or stop the time when I have the good time or I have
That means
uh,
during your happy times, you want to
yeah,
stop the time.
right.
Okay. And what if you have this power? What if you have the power of stopping time whenever you want it to?
It would be great. I think if I had a chance to get this power,
Mm-hmm.
or I'll get this power. So not me. I think everyone can enjoy that power, but it will
Yeah,
be more difficult as well. So people will utilize this power in
bad way.
a bad way also.
And you tell me, how often would you use it? What would you use it for?
Like
Happy times. What else? What else comes to mind?
uh, except that situation, I can also use that. Or like suppose I made a mistake in my office
Mm-hmm.
and my boss uh, all came to know about my what I did,
Mm-hmm.
and suppose my some colleague or someone else tell me that your boss is calling my boss is calling you or and all. So that time I stop the time. So that time will never come. My boss can not
Oh,
call
yeah,
me.
absolutely. I understand what you're trying to say. Now, if you're given a chance, can you monetize or commercialize this power? Will you use it like a tool to have more money?
Yeah, we can use it. Uh, like anyone can approach me whenever he want to stop his clock or time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I can monetize in that way.
Absolutely. And that is what I'm trying to ask you. Monetizing the whole thing, would you be able to do that?
Yeah.
Or would you like to do
So
that? Is
how
the
how do you monetize that power? Would you like to have that type of power?
Yeah, I personally, me, like, I don't know if I would want to have this power, but we can monetize it in a way we can stop time, right?
Right.
And we can, because we're moving, we can steal from someone, we can steal from a bank, right?
Right.
Does that make sense? We can, if the evil part of the brain is to be activated, there's a lot you can do.
Yes.
Yeah. So, would you reveal this power to people or keep it a secret?
I'll keep it a secret. If
Mhm.
people will know that I have that type of power, so maybe they will spread the word out of in the country or to the police to someone else.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
it will be great to keep it secret.
Yeah, yeah. Also, people may try to harm you.
Yeah.
And would you give this power to someone else if you could?
Yeah, if I know that someone is very good from heart, and he can use this power in favor of our country or in favor of a good cause,
Mhm.
that I can give it to someone.
Okay, makes sense. And if many people had this power, like more than
Then,
one people have this
then it
kind of
it,
power.
it would be worst situation of the country. Like
And
everyone
what
is
about our
using.
daily lives? How do you think our daily lives would be affected?
I think daily life affected in a much obvious. So
Mm,
like everyone is using that power, and whenever they got stuck or whenever they want to use, so like we are tempering the nature of.
absolutely. We're
Yes,
interfering with the nature.
yes, we are interfering with the nature and all.
Hmm.
So it will be very worst situation, I think.
Hmm. 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 And tell me, how would you use it to improve your life or the life of people around you?
If I think about that, so if I could stop the watch, or if I could stop the time, so like someone who is really needy,
Okay.
and
Okay.
he want to do something,
Mm-hmm.
so like I can also exchange the time, like I have a good time, so I can give my good time to someone else.
Also, one can, there are certain people in life that who think they don't have time, like some people who are suffering from some chronic illnesses, who are
Yes,
also battling life threatening diseases.
right.
Could also help them by stopping time so that they could live or fulfill last of their wishes, last of their dreams,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
And
it's a good idea.
right. So, do you think people should have special powers like this? Ideally, in an ideal world, do you think people should have superpowers?
No, actually, if I talk about real world, then no one should have uh,
Superpowers.
superpower. Yeah,
Why
because
do you think we shouldn't have it?
suppose I have a power that I can forecast my future or foresee my future.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So it will hamper my opinion, my work, my what can I say, my enthusiasm to work tomorrow. Like I already know what is going to happen tomorrow. So
Absolutely,
if
absolutely.
it is a good, so like I already know that I am getting a job in a good company, so I will stop my today's what I am doing to my improve myself. And if it's something going to happen bad, then I will not enjoy my today.
If
So
we have this power of foreseeing future or having superpowers, it
right,
creates chaos,
it will create chaos.
right? In real life, what is the way in which you can pause time? Now, give it a thought.
In
Now,
which
there are things like black holes.
come again?
I'm
In
saying
which situation?
in real life, do you think
Okay.
there is a way in which you can pause time? Or take it as this way. Are there situations when time passes very slowly?
Hmm, you want to like when I want to pause my time,
In real life, as in real
right?
life, not superhero life or not a
Okay, okay,
hypothetical fictional life,
right.
right? What is the way in which you can pause time? Now we cannot pause time, right?
Okay. We are
But
supposing that we are paused our time,
I am asking you, in real life,
right?
what is the way in which you observe that time passes very slow?
Like when we enjoy our good time,
Okay.
so that time go very fast. So, but whenever we are going through very hard time or very bad time, that
Mhm.
time is spent very slow. We think that this time is not going through, or this time is stuck with us. So that is the time I think we think uh, it got stuck or got paused.
Yes, 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 absolutely. And have you ever experienced a situation in which you had a power like this?
No, not yet.
Okay,
Do you?
not really. How important, according to you, Praveen, is time management?
Time management is very much important in our life, day to day life.
Mm-hmm.
So without time management, I think it would be chaos in everything. We cannot
And how do
do
you think? How do you think one should manage time? What is the key according to you?
like we should manage our time according everything. Like I have a time to my family, I have to give time to our office, and there should be a priority manner. Like to whom you want to give a priority. Like someone give priority to their office,
Mm-hmm.
and someone give priority to their family. So if suppose I give a priority to my family, so I'll plan my timetable or my time according to that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes,
And how to effectively manage your time? As in, you're a person who's looking, who has a job, right?
right.
Now there should be some time for your family. There should be
Yes,
some time for yourself. There should be some time for your hobbies. There should be some
right.
time, some time for extracurricular work, like
Yes,
going to a place of worship. For example, going to a place of, going to celebrate festivals,
yes, yes, yes,
socializing, right?
yes.
So how do you manage your time effectively, you personally?
Like uh, suppose like I manage my time to give the max to max time to my family.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
So like I have 9 hours to my office,
mm-hmm,
and after that some time to enjoy with my uh, like my daughter and all. So I plan accordingly. Like whenever I go to office, so before that I uh, spare some time to my daughter,
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
and after return home, I'll try to that I would not give any extra time to office.
mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
I already did my job mostly at office.
Okay,
So
okay,
I will not carry any extra work to home.
that's a good thing. Mm-hmm.
Right.
Right, right.
And for worship and all, so like if I get a time to go temple and all, so I'll
Mm-hmm.
manage in early morning
Okay,
or
okay,
after that office timing.
makes sense.
During that, yes.
So, what are some ways in which you think we waste our time?
Pardon.
What are some ways in which we waste our time?
Waste
Human,
our time.
yeah.
Like I think by sleeping extra hours,
Okay.
and sometimes I think it's not in our hand actually. We waste most of the time in our traffic and all,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
and
mm-hmm.
we uh, what can I say? We cannot do anything in that situation. So like we stuck in a traffic. What could I do?
Yes, absolutely. So, yeah, human beings, with or without their will, do always waste, will waste.
Yeah. Yes.
So, yeah, this makes us come to the end of the prompts. That was it for the questions. So, quickly, my
Yeah.
feedback, Praveen.
Yes.
Praveen, what I feel like is you have improved, okay, in your fluency,
Right.
okay, and in framing the sentences correctly. What you further really need to do is you need to focus on your sentence formation in a correct. Sometimes you make mistakes, grammatical
Yes.
errors. And I know somehow that the correct form of sentence, right?
Right.
You still tend to make this mistake or certain mistakes because you're not paying attention to what you're saying. Okay. It's
Okay.
great to flow in a conversation, great to have a good flow, but pay attention to what you're saying.
Okay.
Okay. First thing first. Also, you're taking time to think.
Yes.
Again, you don't have to translate.
Okay.
Don't try to translate. Try to use simplest language that comes in your mind very quickly as Hindi comes to you. You don't have to think and translate while
Yes.
talking. Same thing should come to you when you're doing it in English, right?
But in Hindi, we already have all these sentences and all these words and
Mhm.
prepositions and
And I've
everything.
always told you, Praveen, what really needs to be done is you need to increase your knowledge of English. when you don't have words, when you don't have proper vocabulary, that means you're not familiar with it. You're not keeping in touch. I've always focused on many of us, on people. You really need to read. You need to keep in touch with the language one way or the other, either by listening to some people, as in listening to TED Talks, interviews in English and all of that, or having a reading habit. Okay.
Yeah, I have been reading and listening some good speakers.
See, Praveen, many of my students also tell me that how do you incorporate their vocabulary into your own?
Yes.
This is what I do, and this is what works for me. I'll tell you. When I see someone making a sentence, okay, I go out and understand the meaning of this.
Okay.
If someone said, for example, as simple as the feature films are very prolific.
Okay.
Okay. The director of the feature films is very prolific. And the prolific meaning is he has a good profile. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How can I use it somewhere else? He's a prolific author. Prolific decides the quality or defines the quality of a person. Okay.
Yes.
So you immediately make 4 sentences with it. If you hear a new word, if you hear a new, that's fine. We're almost coming to an end.
Yes.
If you hear a new word, phrase,
Sentence,
anything, immediately make 4 new sentences in your mind. Okay, this is how I use it. If you don't understand the meaning, don't understand the pronunciation, you have Google at your fingertips.
Yeah.
Merriam-Webster dictionary or the Cambridge dictionary is the best dictionary that there is. Okay, that is likely to help you. Okay, does this make sense?
Yes.
Does this make sense, Praveen?